First ride. Look at that. First ride.
We're like a motorcycle gang.
Right? Dos compadres. Instead of the three amigos. The dos compadres. New bikes.
Yeah. Oh, man.
All right, we're going to roll out.
Hey guys, Zeke here. I just got my new e-bike, the Bluvall SU8. Got it so I could, since I just got out, I need a way to get back and forth to work until I get my license again. Working, doing all that, going to school. So this will be my way of transportation. I'm very excited. And let's open it. All right, so let's take some stuff out of...
Maybe your pedals, maybe?
I think you're right. Oh, here's the user manual. Need that. Pedals. Zip ties. Another box. Inside a box, inside a box.
Maybe your tools. Shit, no shit. It came with a phone holder.
Oh, a phone holder. That's fire.
Saves you money on the long haul. And the mini tool.
Tools.
Good, so I bought mine for no reason.
Another tool, another tool. And the box.
Bam. Next box.
Inside this box is a light.
Headlight for the front. That's the same exact one that's on my headlight.
Box.
Perfect. You bought this when you came out too? Or did he bring this from Wendy's?
Oh, my mom bought it for Christmas.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't even like it that much.
You don't like it?
No, he only likes it when he has a friend over.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I was about to say, I know my kids would be, what? That's what I'm saying. Him and Gio playing together, we're having that.
Yeah, they would go crazy.
Over here temporarily.
Let's check what's in this box. Oh, the battery. Charger. The battery charger.
So check this out. For me, you can take your wheel out. You should be able to cut it out. This is your rear fender. Your front fender. Yeah.
Oh, hopefully that didn't.
Nah, you're good. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'll lean it towards you some so you can pull up higher. It never was like that for me. That's weird. I mean, it's not broken or nothing. It's gonna lock in place. Okay, now twist the handle to the forks, the front flat, so the forks are face forward.
It's a big box. All right, this is the battery.
Yes.
So we should put this on the charger.
Yep, you could put it on the charger while it's going. That looks about the same size. Keys on the bottom.
Yep. Keys.
Oh snap! Here it is. Okay, so first step.
I'm guessing.
So we're taking apart the front, handlebar holder. It should be on where these grooves are, where it should be holding it at. Did I bring the extra toolie? Did I bring the Tulio? Yeah, I did. I bought a Tulio.
Keep an eye on your Grubhub.
Oh, okay. The food will be here in like 10 minutes, okay? Yeah. You can screw them in.
Okay.
I would do them diagonally because when you tighten it, one side comes up and you won't be able to,
Like doing lug nuts on the car.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to see?
All right.
Okay. Look at this. This is a hover ball. Now ready?
Oh,
Shake it to turn it on.
so you. It says the first time for the first bike I was using power tools on it, even though it expressly said don't. And that's because these parts aren't made to be used to power. Besides, like, you know, the motor part, they're not made for to use power tools on.
Yeah.
And I like messed up I like jammed it in there.
All right.
All right, we're gonna flip it over. You got it. Ready? There you go. Just like that. All right, this comes out. I gotta like that. Here, this comes out. And that comes out. This is, I'm pretty sure the wheel has bolts on it already.
Yeah.
Same side as the.
You gotta look at the manual.
It's on the right side.
I think so too.
It's coming along. You don't need to take it all the way off, just partially. Or I guess you do have to take it all the way off. Yeah, I used to ride the other bike, like just with my foot hanging off the side because I was so used to riding with pegs before that one. It's so weird. And if you ever need to repair something on it, only take it to the grease bike zone. There you go. Free spin.
All right. Pull the headlight brackets forward.
The rubber part that's in between them, and you can bend the metal because it's flimsy metal. Ready? Careful.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so the rubber in it makes it hard to bend. So just take it bit by bit. Yeah. And they should have the screws in them already.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, connect your thing first.
All right, that's plugged in. And the cord goes on the bottom.
You plug the cord in?
Yeah. Cord
Okay.
hangs from the bottom.
Yeah.
The rubber goes on the outside of the
Yeah.
bracket.
Sliding the wheel in.
That's it. I just set it there.
You turn the key, so it's in the battery. So you put it up, slide it in.
Like that?
Yeah, and then when you, there you go. And then you use your key, lock it into place.
All right.
What? Oh, hold on, it's not on all the way.
Oh.
Lift it up and put it down further. Okay, take it out. Because look, see, this is where it's at, the lock is at. And it should
It's
be,
gotta be like right there.
yeah, there you go. Now lock it. Alright, and now you shouldn't be able to move.
Yeah.
Cause see, look, it's on.
Oh, this is the power button. Ah!
Hey, look at that.
He just didn't know where the power button was. That's okay. It doesn't say power, it says M in our defense.
Mode. So what is that button on the thumb?
It's the horn.
That's the horn. Good to know. I was wondering. I was like, I wonder if that's the horn. Motherfucker.
That's hilarious.
Look at that. And it only took us, I think, 40 minutes max. It took us 40 minutes.
Sounds like Roadrunner.
Me. Just
all right. Now let's which tire propels? Is it like front wheel drive or
it's
rear
back. It's rear wheel drive.
Okay.
So that's where your hub is.
So let's check this. How do we use it?
Turn your. Oh well, put your pedal assist mode on now.
Oh.
Lift it up high so the camera can see it.
This is cool.
Look at it, y'all. He's ready to go outside.
Yeah.
He's ready to take it outside.
We gotta fill the tires up, right? I already asked the girl if she wanted to ride on the back.
Of course. Why wouldn't you? He's bragging about it. Told her like, yeah, I'm gonna have to.
I got an e-bike. You wanna ride on my e-bike?
We're gonna hop on the back. Go for a little ride. Not a long one, but a little 15 minute. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it in this? Are you kidding?
Yeah. Just screwing in. Maybe.
Watching TV shows and riding at the same time.
Oh, I don't know.
That dangerous. But fun.
It's good enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, try it out.
And then, bop,
Yep. Oh,
snaps right in. Look at that. I got a bunch of text messages.
go on, take a flick for it. You want to take a flick and send it?
Yeah.
Go on. All right, ready? Here we go. Hold on. All right, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
First ride. Look at that. First
ride,
ride.
We're like a motorcycle gang.
Right? Those compadres. Instead of the three amigos, the dos compadres. New bikes.
Yeah. Oh, man.
All right, we're gonna roll out. Technically, this is the first ride for both of us because these are both new bikes. Okay. Snowy. I should have bought the gimbal.
It's out of order.
Huh?
It's out of order.
Out of order. Wow. What's that over there? Is that a car wash? Oh no, that's a bank. Okay. All Google where the closest air pump is. The bike, first ride. What'd you think of it?
It was fun. It was definitely fun. It was actually pretty easy to put together too, so that part was cool. So we got it together fairly quick, and then we got it on the road. Like,
favorite features on the bike?
Favorite features? I like the little LCD screen a lot. Obviously the pedal assist, but I got it.
All right. Instead of having a little analog display like the K6 has, yeah, you got a lot more information at your display.
I like the style of the bike too. Looks like a motorcycle.
Yeah, that's why. See, that's why I went for it. Keep in mind that he's got the SU8. This is the Bluvall S20, mind you guys. The video on that, you probably somewhere up in the corner here. You'll be recommended to that video next. You'll see it. That video is probably already out now before you see this video. We're also going to be doing an actual ride, a full-on ride. We're just waiting for the road conditions to get a little bit better.
It's snowing.
Because no one's trying to die out here today. You know, I don't think that'd be good marketing.
And our hands get cold.
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm wearing a heated jacket right now, and even then, that doesn't protect my hands.
Somebody actually gave me these gloves, which was awesome.
Right?
I was just riding it, and they said, "You need some gloves? I'm gonna give you some gloves." He's a cool guy.
All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for sticking around to the end. As always, if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, again, this is the Bluvall SU8. This is the S20. Link will be in the description for you to purchase any of these products.
I highly recommend it.
Very recommended. They you probably think they look similar, but they are different, I promise you. They specialize in their own certain lanes. Definitely each bike is meant for a different type of rider, and plus fully adjustable to your style and way of riding. You can customize it how you need to. We're also going to be doing, like I said, full ride length video coming up. Be on the lookout for that. With that being said, my name is Lau.
And I'm Zeke.
And as always, this has been an extra long short. And remember, guys,
just do it. Or don't.
Or don't. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace. You stuck around.